and explore Korea beyond the sea. Woo! Let's go. Let's go! Whoa, this Danyang Chandok Gil, I think you call it this way, was very impressive actually. Again, it was very, very peaceful. I never knew that there is Danyang as a city.
We had to go up. We experienced the going up thingy by ourselves, and it had the glass floor. And at one point, because the bridge, the Skywalk bridge, is so long, when you stand at the very end, it actually shakes. I don't know if it's because of the wind or because I'm too heavy. I don't know what's the reason for that, but that was scary. Yeah.
I saw many these kind of things, and I would definitely come there with my boyfriend later if I have a chance, because it looked really cute, I would say, for a date, for a small trip together, really nice. And I really like the tunnel because you can see the different variations, and then there's also the disco party thing. That was really funny. I did not expect that at all, and I was so surprised by it. So woo! Having fun with friends is awesome.
And it was unique. It was I had to be really careful because I felt like it's paper, and if I make wrong move, it's just gonna rip off, and then I'm gonna get in trouble. So it was a really nice experience.
Thank you, K-TravelBus. Bye bye.